Gomez, it's a ground ball to the right side. Fielded cleanly by Harlan on to first and coming back. Scipione, it's a high chopper, good enough to bring in forward. Harlan gloves, tough play at first. Jersey delivers. Mark swings, it's high in the air to deep right field. Forget about it. 4-0. Gomez swings, it's in the air to right and deep. Back at the track, and it's over the wall. Jersey, next pitch, Tomaso swings, it's in the air to deep right, and it clears the fence. Tomaso with a solo shot.